The one small problem we'll do with this circuit, so see here, this fixed bias circuit is given. The value of RB is given 220K. The value of RC is given 5.1K. The coupling capacitors are 0.1 microfarad and VCC is 12 volt. So they're asking us to find all the parameters. HIE and HFE values are given. HIE is 500 ohms and HFE is 60 and IC value 3 milliamperes. These capacitors will not have any role to play in your problem, so don't worry about the value of these capacitors. Already you know the expression HI input impedance, HIE equal to input impedance's actual value is RB parallel to HIE. So 220K parallel to 500. But approximate value is only HIE. So whatever you do, you'll get answered in the exam. Output impedance will be equal to RC always because current source impedance is infinity. So RC value is 5.1K. So Z0 will be equal to 5.1K. Voltage gain. What is the formula for voltage gain? Minus HFE RC by HIE. Minus HFE into RC by HIE. HFE is 60. So minus 60 into RC. RC is 5.1K divided by 500. Okay, so minus HFE into RC by HIE. So you get the answer as 612. So can anybody say what is the significance of the 612? What is the meaning of 612? 612 is a voltage gain, means what is the understanding? If voltage gain is 612 means what do you understand from that? What do you understand from the value of AV equal to 612? If we apply a 1 volt signal, what is the output voltage? Can anybody say?
612, sir.
612 volts. So this clearly mentions how much my input voltage is amplified. So output voltage is input voltage multiplied by 612. And this negative sign, it is just to indicate that you have phase shift and it does not have any other significance. Current gain is minus HFE, it is minus 60. So the current is amplified 60 times, voltage is amplified 612 times. Power will be amplified by 612 into 60 times because power equal to voltage into current. So almost you can expect a power amplification of 36,000, minimum 36,000, because assume 612 to be 600. 600 into 60 is 36,000. So the power is amplified 36,000 times. So that is a very good property of common emitter amplifier because it provides voltage amplification in terms of AV. It provides current amplification in terms of AI. It also provides power amplification in terms of AP. So this makes common emitter amplifier a very good candidate for real-time amplification purposes.